So, ibig nyo pong sabihin, kanina tanong kayo ng tanong, hanggat ilang oras na tayo dito, yan lang gusto nyo palabasin, yung 11 million kung inutang o in advance, all in loan.
Marami pa po. Yung 11 million na nag-reflect ho yan sa SALN from 2003 hanggang 2009. Tapos po, yung doon po sa dorsal portion ng mga exhibits ng SALN na ito, ay lumalabas po doon na si Cristina Corona ay engaged sa real estate business, pero sa kanya pong wala naman po siyang wala naman pong record sa SEC, wala rin pong record sa BIR, wala pong record sa lahat. Kanya po ito po ay nakapagtataka kung saan po nanggaling ito. And this is ito po ang tinatanong po namin, ito po ini-establish namin, ito po ay unexplained wealth.
Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
If that is the purpose,
Unexplained source.
with the kind permission of the, I thought there is a resolution.
The defense wishes to be recognized, Mr. President.
There is already a resolution of this court, Your Honor, both verbal and written, denying the prosecution from presenting evidence of unexplained wealth, Your Honor, very clearly.
Anyway, Mr. President.
Non-disclosure po ang isang nais ko pong linawin sa bagay na ito, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. President, maybe
I caution everybody to respect the rulings of this court. We have already ruled that paragraph 2.4 is not permissible to receive any proof. So, kindly adhere to the rules of this court.
Sorry po,
So
Your Honor.
ordered.
Mr. President, may we recognize